How to turn off passcode on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your current passcode over here. You will then be brought to the Face ID and Passcode settings page. Over here, you can manage apps using Face ID and other iPhone access settings, set up alternative appearances and change your passcode. Scroll down and tap on Turn Passcode Off. Tap on Turn Off again to confirm. Enter your Apple account passcode over here to proceed. Keep in mind that keeping your passcode turned on gives you an extra layer of security. Following these steps, you can easily turn off passcode on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.